will write the condition here, highlight. Okay, we will use highlight class if this variable is highlighted is true. Okay, otherwise active class will be applied if there is a variable is active is true. Okay, so this is the ngClass condition. Okay, here we will write the text. This div has dynamic classes applied. Okay, now let's go to component file. Here what we will do, we will pass the boolean variables. Okay, we will pass boolean variables to control the classes like. Okay, so we have two variables. First one is highlighted, is if it's highlighted is true. Okay, currently we have make is highlighted true, so this class will be applied. Okay, and other classes, let's copy it, is active. Let's make it false. Okay, so now let's go to the UI. So this class has dynamic class applied. So currently background color is yellow and text color is black. So this highlight class is applied because is highlighted is currently true. We are passing is highlighted as true and is active as false. So let's interchange, make it false and is active as true. Okay, now let's go to the UI. So active class is applied now. Okay, so using ngClass directive, we have binded the class names conditionally based on the components property. This is the components property. We can apply further conditions based on our business logic and can control the ngClass. So if is highlighted is true, the highlight class will be added to the element, and if is active is true, the active class will be applied to the element. Okay, so now this component has two properties, is highlighted and is active, which control the application of CSS classes. Okay, so this is the concept of ngClass, and in the next video we will discuss about ngStyle.